Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 6, OV 23. जगा आधी मायेची स्थिती, पाहू जाता नाही व्यक्ती, परमात्मरूपी लीन होती, परम अव्यक्ति संचली. If you look at the nature of Maya before the existence of the world, nothing is apparent. She was dormant in the Supreme Consciousness, though residing in it, she was not perceivable. व्यक्त होता ही परमात्म रूप, अव्यक्त तरी ही परमात्म रूप, एवच ही माया परमात्म रूप, अभेद रूप परमात्मी. Even if perceivable, it is actually the Supreme Self. When it is not perceivable, then also it is the Supreme Self. Thus, Maya is the Supreme Self. It cannot be distinguishable from the Supreme Self. मायेने तमोगुणापासून केले जड पदार्थ निर्माण, निर्जीव चलनवलन शून्य, क्रियापूर्ण ही प्रथम. In the beginning, Maya created lifeless, immovable, static objects from the inertia quality and completed the first part of her action. मग मायेच्या रजोगुणी परमात्म चिद्गुणाची मिळणी, होता उघडली चैतन्य खाणी, स्वभावगुणी उभयाचे. Afterwards, when the Supreme Self was conjoined with the Rajogun of Maya, it revealed the mind of percipience of essential activities endowed with the aspects of both. पुढे या मायेचा सत्वगुण, करी बुद्धितत्व निर्माण, तेथ परमात्म्याचा आनंदगुण, मिसळता खेळा संपूर्णता. Later on, out of the Sattva-gun of Maya was created the intellect, which when combined with the divine bliss of the Supreme Self, completed the whole process of creation. एवं माया महाविकारी, क्रियोपाधि जो न स्वीकारी, पूर्वोक्त पदार्थाते न करी, त्रिगुण तोवरी अव्यक्त. Thus, Maya, susceptible to great modifications, till she is motivated towards activity, does not create the things which are above mentioned, and the three gunas remain unmanifest. गुणानुरूप क्रिया काही, न करिता माया व्यक्त नाही, राहू शके अव्यक्त पाही, स्वयं जैसेवी अक्रियत्व. Maya cannot be apparent unless she performs actions according to the three gunas. She can exist without appearance and practice non-action, that is, passivity. माया कार्य परमात्म्याचे, जग हे कार्य त्या मायेचे, सर्व खलविंदम ब्रह्मत्वाचे, ऐक्य तिहीचे तेहेची. Maya is the creation of the Supreme Being, while the universe is the creation of Maya. All this is Brahma, means that the world, Maya and Supreme Being are all united and one. ऐसी जे हे अभेद प्रतीति, कैसेनी प्राप्त होय निश्चिति, ऐसी उत्कटेच्छा जया चित्ती, Vedashruti Pahavi. Those who keenly desire and are intent on realizing this unity should refer to the Vedas and the Shrutis. Sarasara Vichar Shakti, Vedashastra Shruti Smriti, Guru Vedanta Vakya Pratiti, Paramananda Prapti De. The Vedas, Shastras, Shrutis, Smritis, teachers and scriptures give us the knowledge the discriminating intellect, and ultimate happiness. माझिया भक्ताचे धामी, अन्न वस्त्रास नाही कमी, ये अर्थी श्री साई दे हमी, भक्तासी नेहमी अवगत. In the home of my devotees, food and clothing will never be lacking. This is an assurance given by Sri Sai, and the devotees were aware of this.